presenting the raw auto cut for automatical processing of plates, boards, and sheets. Its compact design minimizes its footprint, while its wheels guarantee easy mobility. The auto cut, equipped with a 2-axis spindle motor, enables sophisticated 5-dimensional processing of plates, ensuring bevel cuts and comparable detailed cuts are both straightforward and precise. Additionally, when combined with a 7-slot tool rack, it unlocks limitless processing possibilities. The auto cut further includes an inkjet marker for printing instructions, identifiers, or any information you desire. The system is capable of processing a variety of materials, accommodating dimensions up to 135 cm in width, 365 cm in length, and 30 cm in height. It features a scanner for material registration, contributing to the system's continuous data collection, making it ready for ESG and LCA reporting. The process begins with a plate being picked directly from a stack using its vacuum gripper. Next, it positions the plate on the integrated vacuum cutting table, where it is cut and marked according to the work package. Though not shown, the system is also designed to include a comprehensive dust removal system. Further note that multiple work packages can be uploaded to the system's cloud service at once for automatic sorting to reduce waste. In the end, the finished plate is moved to the completed stack, readying the system to automatically handle the remaining plates. It is estimated that the system can process a plate, as demonstrated in this video, within 1.5 minutes.